Hi, good morning. My name is Suresh Kankanwadi. Today we will see about the FeatureCAM drilling automation, the auto feature recognition, and how we are going to utilize for the FeatureCAM onto the drilling or to the auto creations onto the this model. You can see some of the projects and on the pockets and holes are available on the model, and we have the options called as future. You can see in the future on the next one options called as AFR, then the direct AFR. This is the two options. One is AFR, it will automatically recognize all the options in the model and it will generate the toolpath. This is direct AFR is going to uh, uh, selected operations we can able to do the programming. Okay, once you click on this and it is going to before that one I will just show you how to do the setup for this model. Once you can go to the file and you can able to import uh, any any kind of the models. You can able to see it here to importing all the file format free of cost. You can able to import. Once you import, you can go to define your setup called as the block. You can able to define different shape of the blocks and you can able to select the different materials, what material you are going to cut. Then the automatically the feature cam is able to select on that particular tool speed all the tools cutting parameters according to that one. Then you can select here the no fourth axis, then you can finish. Now you can able to see it, the block is generated, and this block also it is double click, you can able to see the size xyz. The three sizes are available to define the block. Once you defined the block, then it is very much important to define the setups. Click onto the setup here and able to do the setups name. Then you can set your zero position, the normal, the front, left, right, all the is available, or in the icon also you can click it. This now my the xy0 is setting on to the center of the X, Y, and Z is in a top. The main the thing also you can select pick any point, also you can able to set it, or you can move the XY coordinate using these options, or you can set onto the left corner or right corner or center. These are the five options are available. Once you set it your the work plane, then you can go for directly the toolpath creations. Then the steps you can able to see this the options called as features. There are AFR, you can go for the AFR, or here also available, or you can go to the part view also, it is available on in the top, you can able to see it here. I will go for to the direct AFR. Then we can able to select it here. It is asking what kind of profile you want to recognize, only the holes or bars or pockets. Suppose I will untick this all the options, I want to do only the holes. Then it will ask the diameter, the what is the diameter you want to recognize, like the maximum hole diameter, only that much diameter is going to take. Then these are all the few options you can able to click it and merge into the single hole, it is possible. Then go to the next. And now you can see here this all the holes are recognized by default. I can see here the through hole or counter hole, what are the or blind hole, what are the holes are available, and you can able to see these are all the holes are selected. Then you can able to finish it. Once you click onto the finish, it will automatically select and it will generate the toolpath, the spotting as well as the drilling each holes. You can see it is, and also it is see the operations wise. Once you can move the cursor, you can able to understand what are the holes are there onto the which holes are you are going to selecting. This is the hole, and this is operations. Once you done, you can able to see the simulation with the uh, wireframe simulations. You can see this is the wireframe simulations are going to happening here on this area. And once you've done the wireframe simulation, also you can able to do the solid simulations. Just I will skip this. You can able to do the solid simulation. Click into the simulation here, having a 3D simulation also possible to do the 3D simulation. You can see these are all the simulations happening, counter bore and all, center drill, counter bore, everything you can able to. Then you can you need to do the complete simulation, then only it will generate the NC program. Because of here already pocket is there, that's why it is taken from that bottom. Once you've done, then you can able to click onto the NC code, and it is going to generate it in your G code, and input the each holes you can able to see the spotting, drilling, and what all. And once you're done, you want to modify anything also, it is possible to modify it. Double clicking on this, and also able to save our NC program. We have options here called as save NC file. You can click it and can save a directory. And here before taking the NC program, here you can able to select the post processor. Click onto here and you can able to select the post processor. By default, you can come all the machines post processor. For the 3-axis, you can see this are all the standard machine post processor. Once you select RMM and inches, you can able to write your NC program. And this your NC program going to write onto the your locations. Okay, once you're done, then I can go into the more details for to the editing of the tool path, or after creation of you want to edit any parameters, double click on the whole these things, and you can able to see here the operation, the spot drill and drill for this particular hole. Okay, here and here you can see here the strategy. You want to change any cycles like a spotting, drilling, reaming, boring, you can able to change it, or you can change these all operations according to your requirement. Then you can go for to the operation wise. Then the operations able to see the tools. You want to change the tool diameter, you can just uh, click it, or you can able to create a new tool from the library. You can add it, this new tool also, you can take it, or you can change here the. And then the speed also it is taken as per the previous material we are depended, and it is taken. Then coolant, then the what kind of cycles you want, like a spotting or deep drill or break chips or remove reamer, that all you can able to select it. Then you can go for the post variable also, you can use it. Then the drilling, and you can able to adjust the spot drill depth, you want to add them manually, or the spotting depth you can add it. It is taken the default spotting depth, as well as you can go for to the drilling. Once you select the drilling also, you can able to define the peck depth, all you can able to define it. And here also we can able to standardize. You want to do the some standard parameters, then also you can go for the manufacturing. Then the machine attributes, you can able to customize your the parameters. Suppose you want to drilling or the picking, these are all the parameters you can able to. Once I will select the drilling, by default these all the parameters is going to take it, or I want to mention picking, then these are all the parameters are going to taking for the milling, or you want to change it for the drilling. As you can see here, you want to drill large contour bore first, then it will do the you will take these options. The large contour bore will do the first, then you can contour bore before the drill. You want to do the drilling before contour bore, you can click this and it will automatically do the, as per your operation sequence. Also you can change these options to changing. You can here you can able to see it. These are all the few options. Then also you can able to, and also you can able to pre-drill diameter, how what is the percentage, that also it is helpful to choose automatically when you are mentioning the percentage. Okay, this is the uh, manually selecting, or you want to do the other operations like I told the before. I will just untick these options. I can go for AFR also. You can click onto the AFR. It will automatically recognize all the parts on the model, and you can see setup. Now one I can able to add. And now you can see these are all operations are going to stick. Suppose you don't want to do the side, you can untick it. Then you can say finish preview. Uh, Also you can finish it. Then you can able to do the full machining. Like it will untick this. Suppose I want to do the 3D simulation, I can see it here. It will do the facing as well as the drilling and spotting. Then it will do the pocket machining, side machining. Then according to it will do the bottom drilling and the inside pocket drilling. Okay, this is then the side machine. This is the app for automatic picture recognition. Okay, this is you want to use for the your 2D kind of profiles, or sometime you want to do the manually programs. Okay, suppose I will just untick this. Uh, Suppose you believe I want to do the manually operations. Okay, you can go for the features and you can able to select here the pocket, and then you can extract the feature recognition. Click this feature recognition, then automatic. Okay, now you can see these pockets are automatically selected. Then you select it. Now it will do the toolpath only for this pocket. Okay, like that also you want to do the side, I can able to do it for the side. Okay, now you can see this is only the pocket toolpath, roughing and finishing is going to generate it. Okay, like you can do the particular pockets or particular area you want to do the machining, you can do it, or you want to enter, or now I want to do this side machining, then I can go for to the side, then select, then you can see here it will automatically whatever the side I want to only do this one, select only this one, then you can finish it. Now it will generate the toolpath only for this side. As I mentioned, you want to select only the side. Now you can see this pocket and this side only you can do the machine. This is very much compatible to do the programming. You want to do the simulation, you can take it the particular operation, you can do it simulation, or you don't want to do other simulation. Now it will generate only the toolpath for these two pockets. Okay, once you did then you can see the operation list. You can able to see it what are the operations are available, and the roughing pass also you can able to modify the depth of cut. You can see here the radius of the tool as well as the Z incremental. Suppose I want to go by 1 mm, we can set it. Now it is take the roughing 1 mm, every Z passes, then you can change the finishing. And also we have options called as change the alliance for the finishing, the how much alliance you required for to the finishing, you can see here, and to the value you can equal to enter. This is FeatureCAM is basically for to the feature recognition, the observation. This video I am covering how to do the toolpath for to the drilling and pocket automations. You can use for to the your day-to-day activities without spending much time, because we can do the lot of the parameter customization according to your requirement. You can change this all the parameters, and you can use for to the milling you want to do the some of the parameters, you can set it, you can able to set it, then the toolpath will take according to operations like a facing. You want to how much the tool the step over will take automatically 85% of the tool diameter will take, or you want to add the rough pass before finishing, so you can add it. Like you can do the machine attributes, you can able to change it the according to your requirement. Okay, I hope this is you understand the how the feature cam is automatically recognized. If you have any doubts, you can just get back to me. I can going to show you on the more details you want on the feature recognition. Thanks. My name is Suresh Kankanwadi.